Coinbase versus Coinbase Pro. What are the differences between the two platforms? Well, the good thing is here, if you sign up for one or the other, you have access to both. The same login details work for Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. So you can log into either of them on your computer. You can log into either of the apps on your phone. Each one has some pros and cons that we're going to get into in this video, but you only have to create one account. One thing I want to mention before we go further is I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. This is for purely educational purposes. If you decide to invest in any cryptocurrency, make sure to do your own research beforehand. So if you're at Coinbase Pro, you can just click, it's pro.coinbase.com. You can click on Get Started. It's going to look something like this. If you're on the Coinbase website, you can sign up and get $5 of free Bitcoin. Click Get Started, exact same thing. One thing that I have that could be better than signing up with either of these websites is to use our referral code down below in the description, where both of us could earn $10 of free Bitcoin after you purchase or sell $100 of cryptocurrency on the normal Coinbase platform. One of the things that we're going to get into in today's video, though, is the Coinbase platform has much higher fees than Coinbase Pro. So what I would recommend doing is purchasing the first $100 on the normal Coinbase platform, getting the $10 of free Bitcoin, and then making all of your other trades with the Coinbase Pro platform. To see the fee breakdown with Coinbase Pro, it's really, really easy. You can go to Orders and then click on Fees. So here you're going to see the different pricing tiers. So I imagine most of us are going to be in this first tier of up to $10,000 of trading volume per month. And if you're trading higher volumes, you can see it goes from 0.5% almost to nothing for people that are organizations that are trading millions or billions of dollars. The difference between a maker and a taker fee. So a maker is someone who is making an order. So it's adding an order to the order book that sits there until someone wants to take that away. So the takers are someone that say, if I create a limit order to buy Bitcoin, if it falls from 42,000 to 40,000, a taker who's someone who at the market, when Bitcoin falls to $40,000, they say, here, I'll sell you my half a Bitcoin for $40,000. They're taking liquidity off of the market. Hence the taker versus maker of adding liquidity to the market. In our case, we don't really have to worry about that. If you're trading less than $10,000 per month, it's the same either way. Coinbase, on the other hand, starts out with fixed fees for smaller dollar amounts. So if you're buying or selling, say, $10 of a cryptocurrency, you would pay 99 cents. For $100, it's $2.99. For larger amounts, it's 1.5% of the value versus just 0.5%, regardless of how small or large that transaction happens to be. In all cases, it's lower with Coinbase Pro. Let me just show you a couple examples. So let's say in today's video, let's check out Ethereum. So we can click on Ethereum right here. Let's open it up in Coinbase Pro as well. So to change these, we'll go to US dollars, Ethereum. Okay, let's start out with a small amount. Coinbase Pro, $10, you would pay 5 cents for the fee. With Coinbase, let's see what we're charged. So there's two things here that I want to point out. One is the 99 cents that I mentioned a second ago. So you see the 99 cents right here. Plus there is a slight spread on the value that you're actually transacting at. So you can see right here, it's $3,028.81. You can see over here, it's actually $3,043.24. So you're actually paying a little bit higher for the value per Ethereum, plus you have the transaction fee, which means you're paying even higher than the 10% transaction fee in this case. Let's show you a different value. So if we say $100, you're gonna see again, you have that same spread and you're paying $2.99, which is 3% of the value. Here, we just, every time we add a zero, it's gonna add in a zero down below. So $100, 50 cents. And then for lastly, if we were to purchase $1,000, you see now it's at 1%. So this is 1.5%. And if we go here, you're gonna see it's 1%, but it's a third of the price. So you have $5 here, and then you have almost $15 here. As I mentioned earlier, if you sign up for Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, you have access to both platforms. The thing is, if you're on the normal Coinbase platform, they don't want you to know about Coinbase Pro, where you can save a ton of money. But if you're on Coinbase Pro, you can easily transfer money or cryptocurrencies for free back and forth between the two platforms. If you're in normal Coinbase, it's not going to show you that option. But if you're within Coinbase Pro, let me just show you how that could work. So if you're on a screen like this, you can deposit. So for example, I believe I have Ethereum on the normal Coinbase account. So I could go to Coinbase. And so what I could do is transfer the max and then deposit. So right now you see 0 Ethereum in my Coinbase Pro account. And now you see that I have Ethereum within Coinbase Pro. There's no fees for this, but you're not going to see this when you're in Coinbase. Also, withdrawal, I could just take the same Ethereum if I wanted to and send it back to Coinbase. Another benefit to Coinbase Pro are the different types of orders. So you can see here on the order form, you have buy and sell. You can buy and sell at the market. So that's this midpoint plus your fee essentially. You can set a limit order. So I could create a limit order for, say, 0.001 Ethereum at the price of 2,500. So essentially what that means is if Ethereum drops down to 2,500, it's at 3,000 right now, I want to purchase 0.001 Ethereum. So I can essentially place this order and you see it in the open orders right here. So that's not something you can do within the normal Coinbase platform. So you have market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. So stop, you say, you choose the price of the stop. So it basically triggers a new limit order. So if Ethereum falls to 2,500, I want to purchase 0.001. But if Ethereum continues falling to 2,400, then I would purchase it. So that's essentially how that works. You have the exact same 3 options for selling. So if you go to just normal Coinbase, you just have the option to buy and sell. So there are some benefits to the normal Coinbase platform. Let me show you a few of those. So you can click on For You, and then here there are a bunch of educational resources. So what is staking? So what are NFTs? What is mining? You have education, you have news. So Samsung's Metaverse store in Decentraland, something with Ethereum, Snoop Dogg. So you have news, you have a bunch of educational resources that are available in the For You section. The Learn and Earn, definitely check this out periodically. So I just earned $3 of render yesterday when I was creating a tutorial video. I previously earned $3 of AMP. I have a couple dollars of Fetch, of Stellar Lumens. I'm not sure that I would purchase any of these cryptocurrencies, but I'm a beginner in cryptocurrency. I'm trying to learn more about cryptocurrency. If I can get paid money to learn about cryptocurrency, win-win. So within this platform, I think they add the new Learn and Earn for new cryptocurrencies that are added to their platform. I think last week I logged in and it wasn't Render that they were giving $3 away. It was something else. And I think it's already been taken away. So if you check this maybe once a week, every couple weeks, you can earn a few extra dollars. I think somewhere on here, let's see. Yeah, so you can see right here, I've earned $23 from Learn and Earn. So notifications here, it lets you know about deposits you've made, large price changes. So you have that. They also have the ability to earn interest or rewards on your cryptocurrency. So you can click right here and see I think 6 cryptocurrencies they have. There are better rates if you check out crypto.com, Celsius, or Voyager. I'll put my videos talking about the 3 of those down below in the description. But you can see Ethereum, USDC. This is really low. Usually you can earn from 8 to 10% on USDC stablecoin, DAI, Tezos, Algorand, and Cosmos. But they do have a couple of cryptocurrencies. I'm sure this is something they'll continually update as well. Then also within trade right here, there are a couple of features that I really like. So if we go back to Coinbase Pro, what you're going to see is you're looking at one cryptocurrency at a time. You have to go and select the different markets and see what's going on with Avalanche, let's say. But the thing is, within Coinbase, so you can sort by all tradable assets. You can check out the top gainers, the top losers. You can sort by interest earning, by smart contracts. There are a whole bunch of different categories, and you can see what's going on with each of the different cryptocurrencies. One of the other benefits as well is you can set up a watch list. So I could choose the set of cryptocurrencies, especially these are going to generally right now it's an order of the largest cryptocurrencies. But if I want to say follow 1inch or whatever other cryptocurrencies it is, sometimes I have trouble talking. So the thing is, these are going to be very spread out. But what we can do now is I can go to watch list. Also, this is really easy to view on the mobile version. I'll show you the 2 mobile apps in just a second. One other nice feature with Coinbase is the ability to purchase directly from your bank account. So you can see right now it has my SoFi account connected, or I can purchase with the cash I have within my account. The benefit, I think, for this, for example, I'm not going to buy an entire Bitcoin, but let's say I wanted to buy 1 Solana. So what I could do is I can swap this out I can put in 1. So the thing, this is going to be changing all the time. So if I transferred $114.14, let's say, and I go to preview buy and it's like, oh, well, the transaction fees were a little bit different or the price changed slightly, then I'm going to end up with 0.9998 SOL instead of 1 SOL. So that's a nice thing of being able to just pull the exact amount out of your bank account. But again, you're going to be spending a ton more in fees. So have some random number of whatever cryptocurrency it is because you didn't hit the number right on the dot with transferring money to your account and then making the purchase. One thing I almost forgot to mention that you can do in Coinbase and not in Coinbase Pro is set up recurring purchases. So right here, you can see for making any of the purchases, you're going to see this down below, one-time purchase. If you click on this, you can set up recurring purchases for daily, weekly, 1st and 15th, or monthly. The thing is, Coinbase is going to be really expensive in terms of fees. That's why I created a video talking about the best places to purchase cryptocurrency on a recurring basis. If you want to see which are the best exchanges for that, check out the video right here. Would you like to automate your finances? Well, we have a free course to help you do just that. If you're interested in signing up, check out the link in the description below. Now let's really quickly check out both of the mobile apps. So starting first with Coinbase. So here is what the Coinbase platform looks like. So now you can see the watch list that I just created has been updated here. So it's going to show up as one of the top things in the home. And then you have all the options along the top to buy, sell, send, receive. Scrolling down further, top movers, you can see the learn and earn is available on the mobile app. And then you have a lot of the educational resources. You can click on assets and see, I think I already clicked on something when I was in this earlier. So you see a list of all your assets. You have the list of all the cryptocurrencies to trade. Again, you can see what's new on Coinbase, all assets, gainers, your watch list again, or the different categories, and then the pay feature. It looks like they're launching a debit card. Now let's look at Coinbase Pro. Here's the Coinbase Pro app. I think this app is much simpler and probably easier to use than maybe the overwhelm you see with everything that's going on within the web version. So if I click on Bitcoin right here, you can see the price, depth, the book. You have access to a lot of the same information, but you're only viewing one thing at a time. You have the orders and trade history. If I click on buy, it's set to limit order. Let's change it to market. If I wanted to purchase $10, 5-cent fee, preview order, and could place that order. So that's pretty easy. Let's see, the pie is the portfolio. So deposit and withdrawal right here. You can see the history within with a particular cryptocurrency. And if we click here, these are the orders. So you see the 2 open orders that I have right now. And then if we click on the little icon, you see the linked account, API fees, limit security, etc. So that's my comparison of Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. If you want to see how they compare to 7 other exchanges in terms of fees and spread when purchasing crypto, check out the video up above. If you want to learn about earning rewards or interest with your crypto, check out the video below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye.